Uh, how I got involved with Jiga Imfundo, if I'm not mistaken, it was in 2014 when the whole concept of Jiga Imfundo was introduced. I was a subject advisor at the time. Okay. Uh, I got involved with Jiga Imfundo, I think it was around 2014. At the time, I was a subject advisor at King Cetshwayo district. First, I think I fell in love with what I thought was intended, because from where I was seated, I heard something like, "Here you have an organization that's not going to add another burden or another set of books, but an organization that is challenging our thinking and even challenging the values of what we're trying to do." And by that I mean we were challenged to think that what we were doing was service to the community, not the other way around. Providing service meaning the people, the teachers that I was working with at the time were like my clients. I had the responsibility to see to it that they were supported and to see to it that they were heard, which would then mean in the way in which I was serving them, I will then consider how they felt and how they wanted to feel at the end of the interactions. So for me, that was big because it was like transform your mind, get your mind right before you can even begin to serve others. Secondly, it was like saying, get your heart right. You cannot serve the people that do not love. So that's how I got involved, and from there we started doing work with Jiga Imfundo, workshops, including the development of material for curriculum. I was involved in the development of trackers for foundation and some trackers for natural sciences. So that's how I got involved up until I moved to circuit management, and I continued working with Jiga Imfundo, and I was also part of the champions team at the district. The change that Jiga Imfundo brought into the system, my view is that human relations improved, especially among the people who have considered themselves as being low in the hierarchy within the system. I think that changed. I think the belief that you can begin to contribute regardless of your position, that was also something that was big. The coordination of events with the development of calendars, sitting together in one space, developing that, I think that was also a big move. Something that was also huge, you'll notice that with subject advisors, when I was still a subject advisor, you'll find subjects like natural science, which consists of something like 4 different subjects. Now, the fact that we're sitting in spaces where we're being taught of the content, it was also bringing about the confidence to go to schools. Because part of the anger that you see among officials will be because caused by the fact that they are not familiar with the content that they're dealing with. So for me, that was big. And another big thing for me was the focus on foundation teaching, working out exactly what teachers should be doing in grade 1, what are we expecting in grade 2, and all these other things. For me, that was big because it wasn't there before. So I think these are the big things that were brought about by Jiga Imfundo. But like I said earlier, the shift of a mindset, to me, that's not only for the district. It's as an individual going out to the world. That's the person I wanna portray, being a difference, working with people with so much love as God will demand us to. So for me, those are the huge changes that I've seen and experienced.